'94 Acura Integra. We trying to remove the engine harness, but we couldn't figure out how to remove the injectors, pigtails, because they got a little locking pin or a locking clip that locks it. That little metal clip locks it on, so you have to remove it, get a little pick, probably pry it to the side, just like this. Man, it sucks to do it. Whoa. Get it out from the little groove. Then you want to do the same on this side, right? Remove that little groove, just like that, and then pull it out. Boom. It basically locks it in the injector clip-on. And since I didn't find no video on YouTube, I just wanted to upload one, since I never removed one OBD1 pigtail before. So there you go. Easy.